Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone Magic 7 Lite with slim titanium design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, with 6.78 inches 1.5K pill-shaped cut out Magic capsule display, resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels, approximately 90.7% screen to body ratio, approximately 437 ppi pixel density, 4000 nits HDR peak brightness, 120 Hz adjustable refresh rate, and drop-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel wide angle main camera with aperture 1.75 and support optical image stabilization, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 16 megapixel pill-shaped cut out wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6GB, 8GB, 12GB of RAM, with 6GB, 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.8 by 75.5 by 7.98 mm, and it weights around 189 grams, and the color options, titanium black, titanium purple colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6600 mAh battery with 66-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with 2D face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack with dual stereo speakers with 300% super volume boost support, USB Type-C charging port, AI eraser for removing objects, IP64 dust tight and water resistant, and with NFC support market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor Magic 7 Lite has been priced for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at €370, while the 8GB plus 512GB storage variant at €400. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor Magic 7 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.